Email verification failed on My Finance Fix. If you're struggling to verify your email on Finance, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's a platform error, when in reality, it's often due to email typos, filters, or outdated account information. The surprising truth is that a few careful steps can solve it quickly. Step 1. Check your inbox, including spam, junk, and promotions folders. Finance verification emails can get redirected by filters, especially if you use Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Step 2. Verify that your email address is correct in your My Finance account. Even a small typo can prevent the verification email from reaching you. Update the email if necessary and request a new verification link. Step 3. Add notifications of payments. Come to your contacts or safe sender list. This ensures future emails are delivered directly to your inbox. Step 4. Request a new verification email via the My Finance app or website. Avoid multiple rapid requests, as this can temporarily block your account from sending further verification links. Finally, once your email is verified, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, ensures prompt delivery of account notifications, and protects your investments. By following these steps, you can resolve email verification issues on Finance efficiently, giving you full access to trading, investing, and account management features. Proper email management and verification are key to keeping your account secure and fully functional.